If you want to archive emails in Outlook and free up space, let's see how you can do that. If your inbox is full, you can start by deleting emails you no longer need. However, if you want to archive your emails instead, you can follow the steps. First, click the select box from top and choose the emails you want to archive. After selecting, you can click the archive option from the top menu. Your selected emails will be archived successfully. And now if you want to archive all your old emails at once, click the select box at the right first and now select all emails by select the box from left. And now click archive from here to move them out of your inbox. And this will help free up space in your inbox. You can find all your archived emails in the archive folder from here. If you ever need to move an archived email back to your inbox, just select the email, click Move to and choose Inbox here. The email will be restored to your inbox automatically. Isn't it really easy? I hope this guide helpful. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.